Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unlock iCloud account if your iCloud locked for security reasons. So let's start the video. First open the settings, then hit on sign into Apple ID. Now put in your Apple ID and password and tap next. Now you can see appears on screen he said Apple ID locked. Your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons. To unlock it, you must verify your identity. Just tap on unlock account. Now put in your trusted phone number. And now put in here your Apple ID password if you remember that, and if you have forgotten that password you can change it by clicking on forgotten password, but now we remember the password. Now he said ready to unlock. You just tap on unlock account. Now you can see appears on screen your account has been unlocked. Enter your iPhone passcode. Media and purchases, turn it on. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.